Honey. A teaspoon of honey can soothe a sore throat and calm coughing, thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve throat irritation and reduce coughing. Steep fresh ginger slices in hot water to make a soothing tea. Lemon. Lemon juice mixed with warm water and honey can help break up mucus and provide relief from coughing. Garlic. Garlic is known for its antimicrobial properties, which can help fight infections that cause coughing. Eating raw garlic or adding it to food may help alleviate cough symptoms. Steam inhalation. Inhaling steam from hot water can help loosen mucus and relieve coughing. You can add a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint for added benefits. Saltwater gargle. Gargling with warm salt water can help soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing by reducing inflammation and killing bacteria. Turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Drinking warm milk with a teaspoon of turmeric can help alleviate cough symptoms. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which can help relax the muscles of the throat and reduce coughing. Drinking peppermint tea or inhaling peppermint steam may provide relief. Thyme tea. Thyme has expectorant properties that can help loosen mucus and relieve coughing. Steep fresh or dried thyme leaves in hot water to make a soothing tea. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, which can help soothe irritation in the throat and reduce coughing. Drinking marshmallow root tea may provide relief. Licorice root. Licorice root has demulcent properties that can help soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. Drinking licorice root tea or sucking on licorice root lozenges may provide relief. Echinacea. Echinacea is an herb that has immune-boosting properties, which can help fight infections that cause coughing. Drinking echinacea tea or taking echinacea supplements may help alleviate cough symptoms. Elderberry. Elderberry is rich in antioxidants and has antiviral properties that can help boost the immune system and reduce coughing. Drinking elderberry tea or taking elderberry supplements may provide relief. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that can help fight infections and reduce coughing. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water and honey to make a soothing drink. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids, such as water, herbal teas, and clear broths, can help keep the throat moist and reduce coughing. It also helps thin out mucus, making it easier to expel. If you find any value, please do share with your loved ones and like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.